You launched a Facebook ad, and now your budget is disappearing faster than your morning coffee. Before you panic and start tweaking everything, stop. You could be making your ads worse by not understanding this one thing: Facebook's learning phase. This is a critical period where Facebook's algorithm gathers data to optimize ad delivery. And if you don't understand how this works, you could be wasting money by making the wrong changes too soon. By the end of this video, you'll know how to speed up the learning phase, avoid the biggest mistakes, and get your ads performing faster. But the number one mistake? Resetting your ads performance without even realizing it. This will waste your money and keep you stuck, so stop doing it. I'm gonna show you how to fix this in just a sec. Let's get into it. What is the Facebook ads learning phase? If you've ever launched an ad and thought, why are my results consistent? Or should I change something? Don't do that. This might be because your ad is still in the learning phase. If you don't let Facebook finish learning, your ad will never reach the right people and you'll just keep wasting money. Think of it like a trial period. The algorithm is fine-tuning how your ad performs before optimizing it for success. We'll talk about what it's doing in just a minute, but you need to remember your ad is not failing. Facebook is learning how to make it perform better. But here's the deal. The way that you set up your ads matters just as much as the learning phase. If your target, your budget, or your structure is wrong from the start, no amount of optimization will fix it. So if you don't want to waste money on bad ads, then you need to download the Marketer's Guide to Meta. This is a free resource that I've linked below that walks you through setting up profitable ads from the start. Trust me, you don't want to launch another ad without reading it first. So you can grab it below for free. Now let's talk about what the learning phase is actually doing for your ads. Most people panic when their ads don't convert right away. But here's the truth. Facebook is testing everything at once. Who should see your ad? Where it performs the best? How people engage? If it sees that your ad performs best on Instagram stories, it will show it there more often. If one audience clicks more than the other, it will prioritize them. This is why you need to give it more time. It's learning the best way to get you results. Now, if your ads feel stuck in the learning phase, it's probably because of one of these 4 reasons. First, you're not getting enough conversions. You need at least 50 conversion events per ad set in 7 days for Facebook to optimize properly. So if you're not hitting 50, try optimizing for a higher funnel action like add to cart or link clicks instead of purchases. Second, your audience is too small. If your audience is too niche, Facebook doesn't have enough data to work with. Widen your audience slightly, test lookalike audiences, or broaden your targeting to give Facebook more room to learn. Third, your budget is too low. A tiny budget means you're not getting conversions fast enough. Set your daily budget to at least 5 times your average conversion cost so Facebook can exit the learning phase faster. Fourth, and guys, this is the biggest mistake I've seen, making too many changes. Every time you tweak your ad, changing budget, audience, or creative, the learning phase resets. If you must edit, duplicate the ad set instead of modifying the active one. This keeps your original data intact. Once your ad exits the learning phase, you need to make sure you scale your budget the right way. Don't double your budget overnight. This forces Facebook to relearn everything from scratch. Instead, increase by 20 to 30% every 3 to 5 days to maintain performance while scaling smoothly. If you're looking for advanced scaling strategies, Chapter 5 of the Marketer's Guide to Meta walks you through measuring performance and adjusting your strategy for long-term growth. I've linked it below so you can go grab it right now. But what if you've done all this and your ad is still stuck? The number one mistake is something that people do every single day without thinking twice. Let's break it down. Here are the top 3 learning phase mistakes that could be costing you money. First, thinking the learning phase means that an ad is failing. Have you ever seen an ad underperform and thought, this isn't working, let me just turn it off? Don't. Facebook needs time to optimize. Let the ads run for at least 7 days before making any major changes. Second is making too many changes too soon. Frequent edits restart the learning phase. Instead, Analyze data after a full week before making adjustments. Third is setting budgets too low for conversions. If your daily budget is too small, you won't get enough conversions to exit the learning phase. A good rule of thumb is to set your budget to at least 5 times your average conversion cost. All right, quick recap. The learning phase helps Facebook optimize your ads for better performance. To exit faster, get 50 conversion events, avoid frequent edits, and scale budgets slowly. Remember, don't panic. Ads in the learning phase aren't failing, they're optimizing. Here's what to do right now. Open your Facebook Ads Manager. Are your ads stuck in the learning phase? If so, drop a comment saying stuck and I will reply with a tip to help you get out faster. So apply these strategies this week before you waste another $1. Now, before you go, don't forget to download the Marketer's Guide to Meta. It is completely free and will help you scale your ads without wasting money on trial and error. Want to take this even further? Imagine being able to see what ads your competitors are running right now without guessing. What if you could analyze their top performing ads and apply these insights to your business? That's exactly what I'll show you in my Facebook Ads Library video. It's linked at the end of this video, and trust me, this will save you time and money. If this video helped you out, I would love it if you could give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more digital marketing strategies every single week. My name is Bridget O'Rourke. It has been an absolute pleasure, and I will see you next time. Bye.